So I bought a vibrant resonator. I'm going to use this as my muffler. The muffler I have now is too quiet. I don't feel like changing the downpipe, because the downpipe is 600 to 1,000, plus another 500 for a chop to put it on. I don't have to spend 1,500. So I'm going to try this, see if this makes my... I'm going to use this as my muffler. Only 2.5 inches. My other muffler now is about 15 inches long. This is a lot smaller. A lot less packing in it. You see how it works. Plus I bought these tips, 2.5 inches. Comes after 4 inches. My tips now are only 3.5. I bought a 1.5 inch bigger. This was a great deal. $40 for 2 stainless steel muffler tips. I'm also changing my tailpipe. So I was driving last week and my tailpipe was dragging on the ground. Because the shop I used cheap steel. The new place I'm going to uses aluminized steel, which will last longer. And they ran out of piping then at 2.5 inches, so they used 2.25 on my tailpipe. You see my tips. It's nice. My other ones are a lot more nice. So I'm gonna have a new tailpipe and a new resonator as my muffler. I hope it's a lot louder. I might lose some bottom end, I think, though. We'll see. This has nothing to do with my exhaust, but it's 2 things I did to it I want to show. I put carbon fiber tape there. Plus I went to this Halloween place. I put this thing on my grill. I'm going to keep this on all year round now. It looks so much better.